Hi everyone, today we'll guide you through connecting ActiveCampaign to Systeme. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, check the link in the description for a free trial. If you're already a user, just log in and let's dive in. First, go to the app section and search for the Zapier app, as we'll use Zapier to connect ActiveCampaign with Systeme. Click on Set this app up, and if you don't have a Zapier account yet, create one now. Once logged in, you'll land on the Zapier dashboard. Next, click on Create and select Zaps. You can also use the Copilot for assistance if needed. Choose both ActiveCampaign and Systeme from the list, then fill in all the required details on the right-hand side. You'll need to select an event and add your account. For this, you'll need your API URL and API key. Return to your ActiveCampaign account, go to Settings, then Developer, and copy the necessary information. Paste these details into the required fields, and then add your Systeme account. Click Continue and configure your settings. Once everything is set up, click Publish, and you're all set. And before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. We're excited that you watched our video and grateful for your engagement. Thanks for your support.